You're still doing matrices for beginners, and we're showing how to multiply right now. So keep watching. First, I'm going to start off by drawing my brackets. Then I'm going to highlight the very first row in the first matrix, which is -2 and 4. And then also the first column in the second matrix, which is 8 and 5. And then now I'm going to be ready to multiply. So I'm going to have -2 times the very first number in that column, which is going to be 8. Plus, I'm going to move on to 4 and times it by the second number in this column here, which is going to be 5. And then I need to repeat the process, but this time, instead of multiplying by the first column, I am going to multiply by the second column. So again, same process. I'm going to start with -2, and then I'm going to multiply it by the first number in that second column, which is -4. Plus, I'm going to take 4 and multiply it by the second number in the second column, which is 2. And then I'm ready to go to the next row. So the next row, I have -3 and 1, and then I have my column here again of 8 and 5. So same process, I'm going to say -3 times 8, that first number in that column, plus 1 times 5, the second number in the column. Now I'm going to take that row again, but this time I'm going to multiply it by the second column. So let me highlight that in green. So then I'm going to have -3 times that first number of -4 plus 1 times the second number in that column. And then last, all I have to do is just clean this up. So let me draw my brackets. And then let's simplify each expression. So we have -2 times 8 plus 4 times 5. Well, that's -16 plus 20, which we know is going to be 4. Moving on to this expression right here, we have -2 times -4, which is 8, plus we have 4 times 2, which is also 8. So that's going to give me 16 when you add them together. Moving on to this third expression, I have -3 times 8, which is -24, plus 5, which is going to give me a -19. And then last but not least, I have -3 times -4, which is 12. And I'm adding 2 to it to give me 14. And then that is it. If you haven't followed us already, make sure you follow us for more. We will see you next time.